Hello friends, in this video we are gonna tackle a very distracting feature of the Google app. Whenever you just slide left from your home screen or open the Google app to search something, you will notice that there are several random news coming in your feed which you don't even care, and sometimes these can be very distracting, and this will just snap you away from your goals and your work or maybe your studies. So it is gonna consume a lot of time. Okay, so if you just want to disable this feature, you can click on the profile icon here and then go to settings, and then uh, come down a little bit and click on other settings, and here you can see Google says it discover, so you just need to turn it off. And if I go back to the Google app now, here you can see the news feed is gone. So however, you still get an option to turn it on. So if you just click here, it will turn on automatically. Okay. So if you completely want to disable this app, you can also do that. So to do so, you just need to click on the app and press it for some time, and then you can find the option to um, disable the app. Okay, so as this is a Google app, you cannot completely uninstall it, but you can just disable it. So just go to app settings. You can see to remove Google. So we will not remove it, but we will disable it, right? So here we have the option like the I button. So if you press here, you can see the option to disable it. Okay, so when you click on disable, they will ask for the password of your phone or pin code. You can just give it and it will be disabled. Okay, so it has been disabled. If I want to reinstall it back, in some cases you might need it later, you can do it from the Play Store. So you can go to Play Store and search for the app here. Okay, so you can see Google app. You can just enable it from here. So once you enable, you can open it and use it again. And if you want to turn on to discover like before, you can just click here, and as you can see, it has been turned on. So that's it for this video. I hope this will be helpful for you.